Motor mechanic. What duties and tasks does a motor mechanic perform? Diagnose and correct the causes of faulty vehicle and equipment operation. Overhaul, adjust and repair. Gaseous fuel engines, clutches, transmissions and differentials, ignition, wiring, lighting, fuel, cooling, braking and complex hydraulic systems, steering, wheel and suspension mechanisms, and body cab and frame components. Diagnose and repair electronic engine control systems, anti-lock brake systems, and air conditioning. In some instances, a motor mechanic will be required to test drive equipment, complete reports, use parts catalogs, and perform other related duties. What skills and abilities are required to become a motor mechanic? Ability to diagnose problems. To be skilled in areas such as air conditioning system repair and installation, electrical system repair, fuel system repair and installation, and computer skills. To be able to continuously adapt to new technology. To be able to transfer skills to younger mechanics. To be able to communicate with team members. What are the working conditions of a motor mechanic? Light vehicle motor mechanics work mainly in workshops and wear protective clothing. They need to keep up with changes in motor industry technology. What are the minimum entry requirements to study motor mechanics at a TVET college? At a TVET college, the normal entrance requirements for the motor mechanics course are NC.V. program, a grade 9 certificate plus college requirements set per program. NATED program, N4 admission grade 12 with a pass in mathematics plus college requirements set per program, or an NC.V. Level 4 certificate in engineering and related design. Watch more career guidance videos with Skills Passport.